What is up again, everyone on YouTube? And now I'm gonna do an unboxing for the PlayStation TV. Let's go ahead and do this shit. Come on. This way. Alright. It looks like it's gonna give me a little hard time. Madre, chica. What's the matter with you? Ábrete, cabrona. Ábrete, pinche cabrón. So te abres. Get the best out of remote play on PlayStation TV. We all know that it's compatible with the PlayStation 4. Alright. Got a freaking box. This is the wrong one. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yeah. Go ahead and do this side right here. This thing is really small. Ooh. My goodness. Ve chiquito. Okay, there goes the game. The PS Vita game, power, the HDMI, Ethernet connection, cable. Wow. Fire adapter, HDMI. And that's it. That's about it. Some instructions, a guide, how to do this shit, how to plug, and that's it. Thanks very much.